Hi, hello everyone. Good morning, one and all. In last session, we discussed about practical problems of union of two sets, intersection of two sets. So I completed exercise 1.6 based on union and intersection of two set. Now we have to discuss in this session, you have to discuss example problems of union and intersection of two sets. So example 23. Example 23. If x and y are two sets such that x union y has 50 elements. So x union y has 50 element means n of x union y is equal to 50. Next, x has 20 elements. X has 28 elements. N of x is equal to 28. Y has 32 elements. N of y is equal to 32. How many elements does x union y have? I mean, so x intersection y, how many elements does x intersection y have? That means x intersection y is question mark. So here n of x union y is given, n of x is given, n of y is given, n of x intersection y we have to find out. We have direct formula n of x intersection y is equal to n of x plus n of y minus n of x union y. N of x is 28. N of y is 32. N of x union y is 50. 28 plus 32 is 60. 60 minus 50 is 10. So n of x intersection y is 10. So in this exercise 1 mark 100% will give for 3 marks. So direct formula n of x intersection y is equal to n of x plus n of y minus n of x union y. Substitute the values. 28 plus 32 is 60. 60 minus 50 is 10. N of x intersection y is equal to 10. Next question. In a school, example 24, in a school there are 20 teachers who teach mathematics or physics, and of these 12 teach mathematics, 4 teach both physics and mathematics. How many teach physics? So here in a school 20 people can teach mathematics or physics. R came now, we have to take M union P. For R, what is meant by union? X is to X. X is to X belongs to A or X belongs to B. This is A union B definition. Here set of people who can teach mathematics or physics. So sentence, write sentence yourself. I will write data. That is, M stands for set of people who teach mathematics. P stands for set of people who teach physics. M union P stands for who teach mathematics or physics. That is, n of M union P is equal to how much? 20. Okay, 20 people can teach mathematics or physics. Here R means union and means intersection. Next, 12 teach only mathematics. N of M is given, that is 12. Next, 4 teach both physics and mathematics. That means, 4 people can teach both physics and mathematics. N of M intersection P is equal to 4. Now I want to find how many people teach physics. N of P is equal to question mark. Now we have formula. N of M union P is equal to N of M plus N of P minus N of M intersection P. Now what do you want? How many people can teach physics? How many people can teach physics? How many people can teach physics? Now I want to find N of P. N of P is equal to N of M union P minus N of M plus N of M intersection P. N of P is equal to M union P is 20. N of M is 12. N of M intersection P is 4. 20 plus 4 is 24 minus 12, that is 12 can teach only physics. Okay, 12 teachers can teach only physics. I think all of you are clear. So these sentences you have to write yourself, man. Number of teachers, set of teachers who teach physics. You have to find set of people who can teach mathematics, 12. Set of people can teach mathematics or physics, 20. Set of people who can teach both mathematics and physics, 4. Now we have to find set of people who can teach physics. So we have direct formula. N of P is equal to N of M union P minus N of M plus N of M intersection P. Substitute the values and simplify these values. You will get the 12. Next question. In a class of 35 students, in a class of 35 students, in a class of 35, already I told, in a class of 35 means in a class, in a group, of the group. So in a class of 35 students means that is N of X union Y. In a class of 35 students, 24 like to play cricket, 16 like to play football. Each student likes to play at least one of the two games. How many students like to play both cricket and football? Here, example 24. Set of people who can like to play, set of people like to play cricket. So this one I will take n of x. So how many people like to play cricket? That is 24. Okay. Set of people like to play football, n of y is equal to 16. Okay. Now in a class of 35 students, that is x union y is equal to question mark. Now I want to find set of people like to play both cricket and football. Both cricket and football. That is n of x intersection y. Here n of x union y is 35 is given. N of x intersection y we have to find. So now we have direct formula. N of x intersection y is n of x plus n of y minus n of x union y. N of x intersection y is equal to n of x is 24, n of y is 16, n of x union y is 35. 24 plus 16 is 40. 40 minus 35. 5 people only like to play both cricket and football. Cricket and football. How many people like to play both cricket and football? Is only 5 people. Next question. Example 26. In survey of 400 students in a school. See children, in survey of 400 students in a school, how much strength in school? 400. In 400 strength only we should take, we should select number of people, set of people, number of, we should select people, set by set. Here in a school strength is 400, that is U. Let U denotes set of surveyed students. That is n of U is equal to 400. Let's continue the question. 100 were listed taking the apple juice. Let A denotes set of students set of students who take in apple juice, n of a is equal to 100. Let's continue the question. 150 take in orange juice. Let B denotes set of students who take in orange juice. N of B is equal to 150. Both juice 75 were listed as taking both apple as well as orange. Set of students who take in both juice is N of A intersection B. N of A intersection B is 75. Total strength is 400. N of A is 100. N of B is 150. N of A intersection B is 75. Now I want to find, this problem is very important for 3 marks. So I will put superstar. Okay. So find how many students were taking neither apple juice nor orange juice. How many students can take apple juice no ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ, orange juice no ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ? ಅವ್ರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಆಪಲ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ A dash is equal to U minus A. U ನಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ A ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು, A ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, U ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನ A ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಸೊ A dash ಅಥವಾ ನಾಟ್ A ಅಂತೀವಿ, ನಾಟ್ A. Here neither taking apple juice nor orange juice. We have to find enough apple juice ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ A dash. Okay, enough A dash intersection B dash. So you apple juice ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ, orange juice ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ ಅಂತವ್ರು ನಾವೇನಂತೀವಿ? enough A dash intersection B dash. Not A dash means not, B dash means not B. Okay, they will not take apple juice as well as they will not take orange juice. Now we have one property, n of A dash intersection B dash is equal to n of A union B whole dash. We have one property, n of A is equal to what? N of U minus n of A. Similarly, n of A dash is n of U minus n of A. Similarly, n of A union B whole dash can be written as n of U minus n of A union B. A union B. So instead of n of A and B whole dash can be written as n of U minus n of A union B. So what is n of U? 400. n of A and B is not given. We have to take the formula n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So 400 minus n of A is 100 plus 150 minus 75. 150 plus 100 is 250. 250 minus 75. 250 minus 75 is 175. 400 minus 175 is 225 students were taking neither apple juice nor orange juice. Dear children, observe once again. Here, let U denote set of surveyed students. N of U is equal to 400. Let A denotes set of people. Let A denotes set of students who take in apple juice. N of A is equal to 100. Let B denotes set of students who take in orange juice. N of B is equal to 150. So now I want to find N of A intersection B is also given 75. I want to find apple juice no ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ, orange juice no ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಯಾರು ಅಂತ. So I mean, we know that actually this one will come under fifth exercise, but fifth exercise is deleted. A complement is A or A dash. A dash is equal to U minus A. Therefore, N of A dash is equal to N of U minus N of A. So N of A and B whole dash is equal to N of U minus N of A union B. N of U is 400 minus, this can be written as N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. N of U is 400, N of A is 100, N of B is 150, this one is 75, 250 minus 75 is 175, 400 minus 175 is 225. 225 people were not taking neither apple juice nor orange juice. Okay, so one more example is there. That example you have to do it yourself. That is homework for you. So I think example 27. So you have to do it yourself. Okay, so that is homework for you. Next example problems also completed, exercise completed, so full chapter is completed. First exercise is exercise 1.1 is representation of a set. Second exercise is finite set, infinite set, empty set. Next third exercise is subset, power set and intervals. Okay, next fourth exercise is union and intersection of two set. Next fifth exercise is fully deleted. Next sixth exercise is practical problems of union and intersection of two set. Okay, so entire chapter is completed. So you have to practice well. So and again you are coming for 15th for classes no. So if you have any doubt, so please ask me. And again once more I will revise the lesson in offline class. Okay, today I am concluding the class. Thank you one and all.